Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the new Dell Pro 5 wired Fingerprint ESS mouse. This is the MS526C. Cool thing about this mouse is that it is a fingerprint reader mouse that is Windows Hello ESS enhanced sign-on security certified, as well as FIDO 2, as well as GS Mark. So if you are using advanced wireless features of Copilot PCs, you are able to get through. Let's jump into the unboxing. Not much to it. USB-A connectivity. Beautiful little mouse here. Love that we aren't using plastic. It's going to be the fingerprint reader once you set it up. Super silent. Sensor over here. Within Dell Display and Peripheral Manager, you'll be able to change the DPI settings. It does support up to 6,000 DPI. Quick start guide, warranty, safety, regulatory information. And we'll jump into the setup with the computer. So we're going to set up the fingerprint reader mouse. So let's go. Got it over here. So now I'm going to touch the sensor, keep touching. And I'm all set. So now if I lock the system, and let's go to fingerprint, let's check it out. Oh, before I can use Windows Hello, I need to enter my PIN. Let's lock again, and we will, voila, I got in. So very quickly I was able to set it up. So over here we've got Dell Display and Peripheral Manager set up as of today, the latest version 2.2.1.16. So let's scroll down. Let's go ahead and look at the Dell Pro 5 wired fingerprint ESS mouse. That is what we've got plugged in here. You'll see on this side some options in terms of changing whether or not I want it as a primary left or right. I have some options for changing my DPI settings. They can go all the way up to 6,000, which is awesome. Fingerprint reader settings, this is more at the Windows level, which is what I walked you through initially. And then button customization, so there is a scroll wheel so I can, set up some shortcuts and depending on what I needed to do there. But pretty much this is the brand new Dell wired fingerprint ESS mouse, the MS526C. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing and overview. Take care.